So, this is Switzerland. I'm sitting here in this mess, wearing these, and the personnel controlling the tickets, they didn't want to see my ticket. You know, this one is totally broken. Looks funny. Well, it looks bad. So I must look very trustworthy. They don't want to see my ticket, even though I'm in the first class kind of wagon in the area that is still kind of not first class but passing through area. And I'm having all these eating, look at this. I look really, yeah, well, but maybe people can sense that I am fit, since I always go uphill as well, not just downhill. I got really fit, so maybe they sense this, and because of the backpack, they go like, if we have somebody that is fit, that can go uphill easily, they don't want to see the ticket. I don't know the reason. so yeah. So I've been eating potato salad, ice, and some sweet. And my mission actually was to get this and that, like to get the plastic plates I can feed the cats with, to get toilet paper. I haven't accomplished that one. To get the basil tastes really good. I just had some with a potato salad. And the 50 wraps stamps also I couldn't get. The post office was closed already, but I put the parcel on its way to the monastery. That's good. I passed through the village and I didn't see Esther to tell her about the roses I got in front of my house. It's the ones that she's looking for. So, and also I didn't get any leaves from any flowers that I am collecting. So I'm still, like going home with a lot of things again, like some apple juice, some coffee cream for the cats, some cheese, a bread. Like for me, tomorrow I will have a traditional breakfast, which is bad. I should stick with salad and stick to, drinking water. Apple juice is kind of okay. And the supplements are okay as well. And potatoes, I should not start. Oh yeah, garlic, I bought some more. So I should not, but the thing is, if I want to have something sweet, why go for chocolate and sugar when I can eat starches? It's like, it's not as bad bread as chocolate would be. Just chocolate is a mix of a little bit of cocoa powder and a lot of sugar. Main ingredient is sugar. So bye bye.